Saving the Great Barrier Reef.
The Great Barrier Reef is located north of Queensland and stretches over 2,600 kilometres of islands.
Inhabitants. The Great Barrier Reef is home to many inhabitants, such as coral, fish, dolphin, and whales, and lots more. There are over 1,800 species of fish, 225 types of shark, over 4,000 species of mollusks, more than 10,000 sponge types, and 350 different kinds of coral.
Dredging is an awful thing that kills all the reef by digging up trenches so that the cargo ships can get past the reefs. Dredging is an excavation activity or operation usually carried out at least partly underwater, in shallow seas or freshwater areas, with the purpose of gathering up bottom sediments and disposing of them at the different location. Sediments get washed up out of the reef and it releases chemicals and affects the coral.
Pollution. Pollution is another threat to the Great Barrier Reef. One of them is from farmers and miners. These minerals flow into the rivers. These minerals make massive algae, and that means there's not enough air for the animals to breathe. The government is helping by making a new reef rescue government, and it has been very successful. Crown of thorns. Our reefs have several kinds of sea stars. Most have 5 arms, like the brilliant blue sea star. Crown of thorns, like most sea stars, have an unusual way of eating. Crown of thorns starfish are one of the most damaging creatures of the tropical coral reefs. They are eating the coral's nutrients, and all of the coral are dying. People are giving them a needle into them which is poisonous. There are too many to control this method, so the scientists are madly trying to get a better method to save our reefs.
Shipping is a threat to the Great Barrier Reef. When shipping coal, they need to dredge so the ships can get through to port. However, when doing this, they stir up the sediments at the bottom of the ocean, which contain chemicals that are poisonous to the reef. When ships crash, they make horrible oil spills. The sound of the ships disturbs sea life under the water. Ships can also collide with sea animals. Some groups want to extend the national parks so there is no dredging.
Coral bleaching. Coral bleaching is caused by warmer waters. When the water gets too warm, the corals will expel the algae which is living in their tissue, and when they leave, the coral turns white. Scientists believe the main cause is global warming and climate change.